Okay, so today I've jailbroken my iPod. Um, I turned it off and I turned it back on, and it won't turn on. It just keeps it stays like this forever and ever. So I was just going to ask you guys if any of you have had this issue and know how to fix it. So just just leave the message under this video, and yeah, I appreciate it heaps, because I'm getting a bit worried now if it's stuffed up or anything. So it's the first time I've done anything like this, because all my friends are now talking about it. So I gave it a go, but yeah. Anyway, so anyway, thanks to anyone that does comment, help me figure it out. So also, I suppose this will help other people that have had this, because I'll just read off it anyway. So bye guys.